Good afternoon. As you can see, I've got some squirrel here. I just stewed them in the pot, cooked them real tender. So a lot of people like squirrel and gravy, and we do too, but just going to take the bone off these. They've done cooked apart. You can see they're so tender. And we're going to make some squirrel and dumplings today. So I have my squirrel boned out. It's all boned out, shredded up. This is the pot I cooked my squirrel in, so I got my stock in that. I just put that in there, like so. And then I'll put it on the stove and get it boiling. So I'm getting ready to make my dumplings. I just got some self-rising flour here, plain milk, just sweet milk, because I'm using my dough for the biscuits and the dumplings. I always add a little bit of bacon grease or bear lard that I rendered down. This is a little bit of bear lard. I don't really measure anything, so I just pour some lard in there with my dough. My flour will be dough soon. I don't mix any or measure anything. So I just stir it up good. I like my dough pretty wet. Like I said, I don't measure anything. I want to be, I'm usually standing up, so it's a little harder. And then I usually don't make this much batter dough at one time. Like I said, no rhyme or reason to it, just I like my dough fairly wet. You know, it'll make a drop biscuit. So my biscuits, I just do a blob in there like so. Not gonna make too many biscuits. So we got the oven about 375. So ready to go. We'll see what they look like in a bit. Got my pot boiling, my broth, and my squirrel stock. I'll just take my dumplings and drop them off in the water, off in the stock. I'll turn that heat up a little bit, get it cooking good. What I've been handed down through the years, making these dumplings. Hopefully they're edible here after a bit. So you don't want to fluff around too much with your fork or your spoon on your dumplings, because your dumplings will tear apart. So we're gonna turn that fire down and we're gonna cover them up for a bit. And then the only thing else I do is add some salt and pepper to season. Okay, we're gonna look at our dumplings. They sure are looking good. Look at them babies. Look there, nice fluffy dumplings. Got some squirrel down in there. Look at them things. We'll check out our biscuits. Oh yeah, our biscuits are looking good. Oh yeah, look at them babies. So here we are, we got some mashed potatoes. I like to put a little butter on top of my biscuits. We got biscuits. My daddy would call them Cat Head Biscuits. Look at there, what a biscuit. Look at that thing, it's hot too. Real hot. Nice, big, fluffy dumplings. Oh yeah, we got some squirrel in there. Plenty of squirrel. We got some coleslaw. This plate's for Mama. She won't eat all that. This plate's for Mama. Now that is a hillbilly meal. It's been a hot day, and it's been a good day. We killed some squirrels. We got some good eating, and we're ready to maybe one more week of the squirrel season for us, and then we're gonna get into bow hunting them deer real hard. And then we'll probably finish up later in December, early January. We'll get back in doing some squirrel hunting with some dogs, with some buddies of ours. The leaves will be off and we'll be able to run them squirrels with the dogs. Anyway, from all of us right here at Peak Hunting Productions, God bless you, and we'll see you the next time. Looks like we're at war. Let's go back and see if we can find it. You want me to get your shell house for you? Do what? How long have we got? Oh, it's just video now. Oh, okay. I'll just take a quick shot here in a little bit. You see me in there, right? Yeah.